Hello students, this is Azim Ansari, Assistant Professor, Sri Vilay Parle, Kilwani Mandals, Institute of Pharmacy, Dhule. Today I am going to discuss about Pharmacy Council of India. That is a Pharmacy Council of India. In recent, Dr. B. Suresh is the President of Pharmacy Council of India. This Pharmacy Council of India constituted under the Section 3 by the central government. First Pharmacy Council of India constituted by the central government in 1949, and this Pharmacy Council of India reconstituted every 5 years. It consists of 3 types of members. First one, elected member, second one, nominated member, and third one, ex officio member. Now elected member, 6 member, that is a teacher elected by the University Grant Commission. There is at least one teacher of each subject, means 4 person, that is a one person as a teacher in pharmacy, one person as a teacher in pharmaceutical chemistry, and one in pharmacology, and last one in pharmacology. Then one member elected by the Medical Council of India, and one member from each state elected by the State Council, who shall be a registered pharmacist. Then nominated member, 6 members nominated by the central government, of whom at least 4 shall be possessing a degree or diploma in pharmacy and practicing pharmacy or pharmaceutical chemistry. One representative from UGC and one from All India Council of Technical Education. These two member nominated from each from University Grant Commission and from All India Council for Technical Education. And last one member from each state nominated by the central government, who shall be a registered pharmacist. Then ex officio member, that is the first one, Director General of Health Service, second one, Drug Controller of India, and last one, Director of Central Drug Laboratory, Kolkata. Then this Pharmacy Council of India, this committee prepare a executive committee which consists of president, vice president, and 5 other members elected by the central council from its own member. And apart from this, the council also appoints a registrar or secretary and other officers and servants for carrying out its legislative function. Then what is the role of president and vice president of central council? This president and vice president elected by the member of council among themselves, and this president and vice president shall hold the office for a period of 5 years, and which are not extending beyond the expiry of his term as a member of central council. This president and vice president also eligible for re-election. Then what is the mode of election? Election under this chapter shall be conducted in prescribed manner, and where dispute arising regarding any such section, it shall be referred to the central government, who take the final decision. Then what is the function of Pharmacy Council of India? First one, to prescribe the minimum standard of education required for qualification as a pharmacist. What is the minimum standard of education required for qualification as a pharmacist? Then to regulate a minimum educational standard. Then to recognize qualification granted outside the territory to which Pharmacy Act 1948 extends for the purpose of qualifying for registration under the said Act. And then to compile and maintain a central register. And last one, all the functions that may be assigned for implementation of the Act. Thank you.